Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share to you on what are the top 3 alternative browsers for your Google Chrome. So if you are using Google Chrome on your Windows and this is not working fine, like in some cases it encountered an issue like not opening, not starting or opening but closes immediately, or this is slow downloading, then you can have other browsers to use. So these are the top 3 alternative browsers that you can use instead of the Google Chrome browser. So first browser is the Microsoft Edge browser. This is a default browser for your Windows. So just simply search for Edge in the Windows search bar. Under the best match, you can click on that. So here you can just simply search for an info right here in the search bar, the same as how you are using your Google Chrome browser. So this is the first browser. Now, the next two browsers is we are going to download it here in the Microsoft Edge browser. So, the second browser that we can use is the Firefox browser or the Mozilla Firefox browser. So, in your Microsoft Edge browser search bar, type here Firefox download and hit enter. Now, you'll find the first option www.mozilla.org. Download Mozilla Firefox for Windows. Click on that. Then here you just have to simply click on this download now button and the installer file will be downloaded. Now double click on that and then close the Microsoft Edge browser. Now I have just uninstalled the Mozilla Firefox from my Windows, so I'll just click on reinstall. So in your case, this is an install button, so you just have to click on that. And let's just wait for this to be installed into our Windows. Now once done, just simply click on done. And the Firefox browser will open for you. So you can simply pin Firefox to taskbar, set Firefox as a default browser, import from previous browser. You can click on save and continue if you want these options, but I'm just going to click on skip this step. Then click on skip this step and click on skip this step too. Click on start browsing. So here you can just also simply search in the search bar for any information or websites that you want to visit. So just like how you are using your Google Chrome browser. So this is the second browser. Now the third browser is we are also going to download it. So let's open any of our browser like Edge or Firefox. Now let's go with the Microsoft Edge and type here Brave browser download. This is also a very great browser for you. So once done, hit enter. Now you'll find the first option, brave.com, Brave browser download. Click on that. Then simply click on this button, Get Brave for Windows. And the installer file will be downloaded. Now double click and then close the Microsoft Edge browser. And let's just wait for this to be installed into our Windows. So once installed, then you already have the Brave browser in your Windows. If you want to set this as a default browser, you can simply click on this. Now I'm just going to click on skip, and maybe later and click on finish. So let me show you that this is really a fast browser. So if I search for an info, it will really load fast. And if I search or click on this one info, it will really load fast for you. So this is also a great browser that you can use aside from the other browsers that you have on your Windows. So those are the top 3 alternative browsers of your Google Chrome browser. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.